In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Logitech Pebble keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble while using the Pebble keyboard from Logitech, you should perform a reset. A reset can address any issues related to the keyboard, so if it isn't charging, if it isn't connecting, or if it is not functioning properly. And performing a reset is super simple. There are three main steps that you have to take. First of all, make sure that the keyboard is powered on. So there will be a toggle. Make sure that it's on with sufficient battery. Once you have powered the keyboard on, you will be able to perform the combination of buttons. So in order, you will have to press Escape, then O, afterwards Escape and O again, and finally Escape but B this time. So Escape O, and then Escape B instead of O. So all that you have to do, like I said, is to press Escape first and then O. You don't need to press them simultaneously. You can press Escape and then immediately after press O. You do this once, so you press Escape, then O, then Escape once again, and then O. Finally, you press Escape for one last time, but instead of O, you press E. And as long as you perform these actions in this order in quick succession, Escape O, Escape E, you will see these three lights here blink. Once they blink, this indicates that the reset was successful. So in short, follow the steps here. Power on the keyboard and then press Escape O, Escape, and then B. If the reset is successful, you will see the indicator lights on the keyboard blink, and now you will be able to repair it to any device. This method is primarily used for the Logitech K380 and similar Bluetooth keyboards, and it can help resolve connectivity issues or pairing problems. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Logitech Pebble keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.